Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. Gosh, I may not be in the Northeast or in the Laurentians in Canada or where fall color is spectacular, but oh boy, it's not half bad here either. We're in the northern part of the state of Georgia, and we do get lovely fall color. It just takes us a while. But of course, the maples can't be beat. And I'm just going to show you a few of the things in the garden here. Mostly just Japanese maples, which to me are a no-brainer plant any time of year. Sun's a little tough, I apologize, but here's a Japanese, I don't even know what this cultivar is, but it's really quite fantastic. And we look at that one out through our living room window. But as you go through the garden with me slowly, you'll also see a few other Japanese maples. Of course, you're looking at this gorgeous coral bark maple, and this coral bark maple is Sangukaku. And it's beautiful all year. Not half bad now, and even prettier in the winter when the bark turns that gorgeous coral color. And down here, I really love this one all season long as well. This is a dwarf form of Japanese maple called Otaha, O-T-A-H-A. Always dwarf, always beautiful, never gets out of hand. And I guess I could, without boring you to death, take you to a few other places in the garden. There's certainly Japanese maples back here, Orange Magic that turns a brilliant orange in the spring. I don't even think you can see it with the sun on it here. And a few others. One of my favorites, of course, is this gorgeous thing called Villa Taranto. You happen to see all my bird feeders here. My wife accuses me of having a trailer park for bird feeders. But this is gorgeous in the fall. It's gorgeous almost any time. I love the cut leaves. Villa Taranto, not half bad. And I'll just finish off with a couple of other ones that are not spectacular in color, but not half bad either. And these are Waterfall. This one is Waterfall. It's pretty pretty. And over here, again, this kind of muted yellow color, Waterfall Japanese maples. Sorry this video is so long. I could be here all day and just extol the virtues of Japanese maples, but come on over to my garden anytime. You're welcome, and let's have fun. All the best.